Why wealthy business people leaving UK? After Labour victory in the recent general election, there has been a noticeable uptick in wealthy clients exploring option to leave the UK. This trend is largely driven by concern over potential changes in tax policies and regulations that could impact their financial situations. High net worth individuals are reportedly seeking advice on relocating to countries with more favorable tax regimes or those offering citizenship or residency through investment program. Record number of 9,500 millionaires are forecast to leave Britain in 2024, up from 4,200 in the previous year. Top countries are welcoming in regard to tax and domicile residency advantage. Number 1, UAE, US and Singapore is the top destination for tax advantage. Please visit our YouTube channel and view more videos related to UK startup, business and tax. Other countries are expected to see huge influx with the UAE attracting 6,700 millionaires from places such as India, Middle East and Russia as well as the UK. The uptick in relocation comes after the government confirmed plan to abolish the non-domicile regime and offered generous tax breaks for expatriates. They warned that it would be a big increase the number of UK domicile clients quitting Britain if the Chancellor increased the capital gain tax, abolished the non-domicile regime. Top countries are welcoming in regard to tax and domicile residency advantage like UAE, US and Singapore. More than 800 videos are uploaded in our YouTube channel related to UK startup, business and tax.